Welcome to this video, where we'll explore an elegant property listing template tailor-made for real estate agencies. It empowers you to craft a captivating introduction that reflects your agency's values and unique selling points. Share your agency's history, values, and mission, demonstrating your commitment to serving clients. Property listings. Within this template, you can easily display your diverse portfolio of homes. This section allows users to quickly grasp the range of properties your agency offers. Essential details such as pricing, square footage, sizes, and prime locations are readily accessible, making it convenient for potential buyers to explore your listings. Agency metrics and reviews. Showcase your sales numbers, years of experience in the industry, and the glowing feedback from satisfied clients. These metrics and positive experiences speak volumes about your agency's success, expertise, and customer satisfaction. Leverage this template to enhance your real estate business and make your property listings more accessible to your customers.